How the hell this nigga pay me? How the hell these niggas say all these things to me? When I went through all these likes and these comments, I always got these phone on flight, busy dodging. I said, girl, I'm sorry, I was mobbing with the guys. She like, what that mean, man, won't you stop it with the lies? I said, I ain't lying, it's the truth, but in disguise. And baby girl, you look so good, I like the sparkle in your eyes. Can't believe that we came so far, baby, we go so hard. Look at your dress and all, look like a shining star. I know you proud of me, I turned to a superstar. And you don't gotta change for me, I'm cool with just who you are. Oh, she gon' pull up on me, even though she knows I got a couple women in line that are just like her. I remember when she asked me if I got a couple girls on the side, and I lied, I said they ain't like her. But I know she know that my heart cold, colder than the winter is. She know that my heart cold, darker than the darkest night. So much so that I know she can't sleep at night, thinking how many times what she go through.